everyone! We're day 7 of the 100 challenge burpees for 30 days. For breast cancer, go to Find Fitness. At the top of Mount Taylor today, as you can see. Oh, well now you know. Hi Jazz!
One more.
One more.
That's it?
One more.
Are we waiting for you to do yours now?
Sure, you can film me next.
I want to see some push-ups.
Push-ups? No problem.
Last bar, come on.
5 left. Here we go, here we go. 3. Nice work. 2 to come. Last one. Here we are. Yeah, well done guys. And Seb, last one. Woohoo!
That was awesome.
And now we have the 100-day burpee challenge, or 100 burpees, 30-day challenge.
And now it's Chloe's turn.
Well done people.